Today I'm going to install a tachometer harness on my Ranger 330V, and it's going to go for my Mercury controller to connect to the tachometer that I just installed on the boat. And this is a factory wiring harness ordered. It's a Quicksilver part. As you can see, here's the kit number. And it has this plug on it, which will plug into the factory Mercury controls that run back to the engine to allow you to hook up a tachometer. Now I'm going to need to run the wires through the fiberglass side of the boat. And one of the best ways that I found to do that is with the fiberglass fishing tool. So what I'm going to do is just tape these leads to the end of my fiberglass fishing tool so I can run them through the side of the boat. Electrical tape there. And now I'm going to run it through the side. All right, here we have the wires on the other end. We ran them to the side of the boat. And then now I'm going to plug the harness into the receptacle right here on the boat. And it's also a good idea on these electrical connectors to use a little bit of dielectric grease. That helps to prevent the corrosion when you're putting those electrical connections together. And we'll just put some dielectric grease on the connectors, and that just helps to seal, prevent the corrosion, and it also just helps everything assemble and slide together. All right. Sometimes it's easier just to go ahead and cut it off than it is to find the end of that electrical tape. All right, so now I've got several leads here. We're going to need to connect to the back of our tachometer, which is new, so it's not fastened in there. So we're going to run these wires back up here through the back. Through the hole in my dash. And they sent a really nice wiring diagram with the harness, and it has for the different style setups that you might be using. in the console. And then we just have to secure it from the bottom side. We'll get it hooked up and try it out. As you can tell there from cranking the motor that it is working. Can't wait to test it out on the water.